Hi guys, so back after doing the zero stop shit. Table says 4.7 mils. Not sure because I basically guessed the ballistic coefficient of this surplus ammo. I don't know exactly what it is, so it's best guess time. But with the speed I get, 4.7 mils. Well, seems like it is a lot, but we'll see. Okay, so the zoom camera should be on point. Gonna try for the right plate rack, large plate, aiming center of the plate, 10 times mag. So I'm a little bit high and far to the left, so I was almost on a whole mil left and a little bit low. But this ammo has a lot of spread, so let's just hold low right, bit outside of the plate. Oh, height was okay. I need to hold a bit more, it's consistent at least. Didn't see a splash, but the plates are so heavy, so they won't really move with these little tiny pellets from the 5.56. So let's see, I'm holding a mil and low. See if I can load the rifle and see if I can spot my own hits. I'm going to try for the small plate just to see if I can see the splash. I think I'm too far right. You're probably seeing more than I do on the zoom cam. I'm trying to load the rifle so I can really spot my own hits here. But the reticule is kind of in the way. Okay, I'm a bit far right. Let's just hold half a mil then. Was that a ding? I don't know. It's kind of hard when you can't... Or is the plate actually moving? I don't know. Gonna have to watch this zoom cam. Can't really tell. Going back to the large plate. Okay, the wind died down. I'm hitting exactly where I'm aiming. So the ammo is very inconsistent. Point of impact might have shifted after I heated up the barrel a bit. It's a little bit hot. I think it was a loaded 20 rounds. This is not a sniper rifle, even though I have a 10 times magnification scope on it. It's the 2x10. I usually don't run more than 10 when I shoot long range anyway. So I thought this was a nice little compromise. I have the aim point I can put on top if needed. But it's a super fun little plinker, and this distance was 512 meters, so yeah. Seems like the ballistic table was okay, just the wind messing with me. So yeah, there is that.